We're here today to start the painting on Project Civic, and I'm here at Throttle Chaos Garage. We're finally here. It has taken a long time. You know, I've had this car forever. It's finally going to get some decent paint job, and I'm super pumped. I'm here at Throttle Chaos Garage with Adam. I want you guys to go down to the link in the description or click the iCard and you can go directly to his page and subscribe. He's a new YouTuber and he's doing some really cool stuff. So please go check out his page because he's going to be helping me paint the Civic. You guys will actually see the finished product being painted on his page. So make sure you subscribe so you can see the work being done. But today we're going to start by getting the car ready for the primer. So what are we doing today?
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to start off, and you prepped the car beautifully. I mean, I couldn't be more pleased with the way that it is. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to give it an initial wipe down just to make sure all the dust is off.
Right.
And then we're going to go through and remove anything else that we're going to want to remove. And then we're going to mask off the windows, everything else that's still on there, give it one more wipe down with a tack cloth, and then we're going to lay the primer. Cool. So if we can have the primer laid down by the end of today, we'll be in really good shape.
Right. Yeah, that's what I was hoping. So I'm really excited to just get this going. You know, we're going to get all these pieces off and get it started. So let's go.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be, this is how I do it. You know, a lot of other people on YouTube, they're going to have their own ways, the way that their grandpa's been doing it for 30 years. So I just do one layer on the outside, and then I get my piece of plastic, and then I tape that on this layer. So this is my clean line, and then I can do a rough line with the plastic to just make sure that it's all good to go.
right, so the car is masked off. There is plastic over the windows and windshield and all that jazz. And we actually did a cool little thing. We were gonna just have the headlights taken off and just leave it like that. But it actually, Adam recommended taping over these and then putting them back, so that kind of prevents overspray from getting into the car, but also prevents it from getting on the headlights. But so the car is pretty much ready to go. Just probably gotta wipe it down, and then primer will be happening soon. I also have a new bumper came in. There's the old bumper, new bumper. Be way easier to paint that way. And we have new grille as well.
Yeah, too far, too fast.
Okay.
Closer, slower. Closer, slower. Okay, there you go. You can slow down a little bit more.
Okay.
Yep. Like you see how this looks better, but you can even still go thicker until it gets like covered more. Yeah. There you go, and then right below it. On the same distance from the pan, because you're kind of staying here,
right?
Even with over here. Like get the gun with the contour block, you know what I mean? Try to see how slow.
Yeah. Primer is done. Well, we got one more coat to go actually, just to make sure it's all covered. All right, guys, so that is it. Rob decided to join us. The car is primed. It even looks cool like this. So I'm super excited. So now I'm leaving. This is where it ends. The journey ends for the car at the moment, and we're turning it over to Adam to start the next process.
Cool, yeah guys, so definitely, so check out my channel. It's gonna be in the description below. It's called Bodie Vision. I'm gonna pick up with my channel where we left off. I think we're in a great spot. Huge shout out to you guys for getting it to the point that it is. It made it way easier for me, and that's gonna make the progress good and everything like that. So I'm gonna get into sanding the primer to essentially lay the base coat, clear coat, wet sand and buff, the whole 9 yards. So
awesome. So I cannot wait to see it. It's going to be a big unveil. But first, go subscribe to Adam's channel. You'll see the links everywhere. And then go watch the finishing touches happen to my car. And then come back and we'll have a big unveil. And you'll see my reaction of my face.
It's going to look awesome. It's been a long time coming for this car.
Yeah, so we've been waiting for this forever, and but thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to everyone's channel that we've mentioned, and see you next time.